Hi, today we're here to introduce you to the Sonic Glove. The Sonic Glove is a wearable sound interface device that can generate a range of parameters based on the programming of the Arduino and Max software and the glove's sensors for pitch, roll, and finger flexibility. This will allow the user to become a virtuoso, enabling full control of their musical or sound ideas all from the palm of their hand. The Sonic Glove is constructed of several inexpensive components. This includes a glove, an Arduino Uno board, which is also the open source programmable board, a breadboard for prototyping electronics, flex sensors for detecting the flexibility of each finger, a power source powered through a USB cable or AC/DC adapter, and numerous jumper wires for interconnecting components. So how does it work? It all starts with the Arduino software. Here we're able to tell Arduino what it needs to do and how it will do it. In this case, we've programmed the Arduino software to utilize the accelerator in the Arduino's board to measure the pitch and roll acceleration and the flex data from the flex sensors. And when the user flexes any of their fingers, that data is also sent to Arduino by means of jumper wires through the breadboard. One thing of note is the breadboard itself acts almost like a conduit, providing a means for power, voltage, resistors, and ground. From the Arduino board, both the flex and acceleration data is then sent to Max for Life via Wi-Fi to be used as a LOM, also known as a live object model. From here, Ableton Live can then use this data to dictate our parameters. For our demonstration, we've linked the following parameters for the Sonic Glove in Ableton Live, including pitch for the number of steps, roll for the filter frequency, the thumb for the filter resonance, index finger for the reverb, the middle finger for the delay, and the ring finger for the FX chain.